Hello everyone, and welcome to the ExcelCare manual, specifically the ExcelCare notes parents will be receiving after a student's class. This video intends to help parents of Excelacademy navigate through Monday.com, which is a platform our notes will be provided on. Additionally, this video will also explain the different sections of the ExcelCare notes. In order to access Monday.com for the first time, the best method would be to go through the invitation link sent by the Excelacademy office. The link can be found through your email that is registered with the email address that is on file with the office. Generally, this email address is one that is linked with our invoice system. To be taken directly to Monday.com, you will need to click on Accept Invitation. By clicking on Accept Invitation, you'll be directly taken to the Monday.com login page for Excelacademy. From here, you will notice that if you attempt to insert our email address and password, an incorrect email or password message will appear. This message appears because you have yet to finish setting up your account with a password of your choice. Instead, proceed to click on Forgot Your Password. This will send you to an additional page that will notify you that a new email has been sent regarding resetting your password. When you head back to your email, you should have received an email that prompts you to complete your sign up. Once you click on Complete Your Sign Up, you'll be directed to a pop-up that will allow you to complete the details to your account. Setting up your account. First, you'll be asked to enter your full name and a password. For the first name, please provide your student's first and last name. Once again, please enter your student's first and last name. If you have more than one student enrolled at Excelacademy, please input the student's first name separated by a slash symbol and the last name. For example, you'll need to input John/Jane Smith. By entering your student's first and last name, Excelacademy administrators will be able to quickly and easily identify the correct account the ExcelCare notes should be shared with. Next, you'll need to insert a strong password of your choosing into the password section. Once you have completed both steps, you may click on the Agreement button and click on Continue. You will then be asked to choose your role in Monday.com. While the options may not seem fitting for our Excelacademy parents, the choices that are inputted will not affect your experience with ExcelCare on Monday.com. In this section, click on Team Member. Then, click on the option Other Things. Finally, click on 6 to 10 members and click Continue. You will then be notified that you have successfully signed in and will be asked to upload a profile image. Whether you choose to do so or not will be entirely up to you. If you choose to upload a picture, you may do so by clicking on Upload Picture, which should then prompt you through the steps you need to upload a profile picture. Additionally, it will then allow you to view your choice in the Profile Picture section. If you choose to disregard the profile picture, click on I'll do it later in the left-hand corner. You will then be led to a tutorial video of Monday.com before you are taken to the ExcelCare notes. You may disregard this tutorial video by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner or Get Started, as it will not completely be compatible with our ExcelCare system. Notification settings. After completing the details to your account, parents will need to double-check their notification settings for Monday.com. This can be done by selecting the profile icon on the bottom left corner of the page. After you click on the profile icon, you'll be presented a list of links that are associated with your account. You will need to click on My Profile to be taken to your personal profile settings page. Once you have been taken to the page, you will notice that you can also edit your name. If you have not inserted your student's first and last name in the previous stage, please do so in this section by clicking on the pencil icon at the end of the name area. Once you have entered your student's first and last name, you may click anywhere on the screen to save your edit. If you need to change your password, you may do so by clicking on the Password subheading. The Notification subheading will allow you to adjust the settings as you wish. It's incredibly important that parents remain actively involved with their students' academic process here at Excelacademy. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you keep all of your notifications on. If you choose to access Monday.com through the web browser, we highly recommend you enable desktop notifications and keep your email notifications on, specifically for replies to my update and replies or likes to a conversation I'm part of. This will help keep parents informed of any updates in regard to any notes that are being uploaded for the students as they happen. If you are accessing Monday.com through the app, be sure to have your in-app notifications for the same criteria. Excelacademy recommends that parents keep both email and in-app notifications so you receive an email notification if you are not logged in to Monday.com and if you have a notification while you are logged in.